Hi guys, as promised, here's my quick tutorial sharing how I made the cobweb effect on this cake using marshmallow. Okay, so in this microwave safe bowl, I've got 75 grams of the mini marshmallows and I'm going to microwave that for about 30 seconds. And you can see here that kind of puffs up. And what I'm going to do is very carefully, because it is very hot, is use a spatula just to mix it together until it's nice and smooth. As I said, be careful because this is hot. And then once I'm happy that it's nice and smooth, I'm just going to leave it for a few minutes just to cool down so it's cool enough to handle. Okay, now you can see I've just put on some gloves and I picked some up and you can see what it's like in my fingers. It's very, very sticky. But what I find is the more you work at it, the more you get those nice big stretchy bits. I hope you can see that there. It gets less stringy and more stretchy and pulley, and you get those nice cobweb effects. So here I'm just pulling at it, making it, I suppose it makes it more gummy. Just to keep pulling and opening up your fingers until you get it how you want it to be. And then once you're happy with how you want it to be, you can just pop it onto your cake. And then just keep going round and round with the excess. So again, I'm just going to pick up some more, and you can see how I work at it. It gets more and more gummy. So I should have said that I'm popping this on top of the sugar paste that I've let dry overnight. So just keep working at your marshmallow until you're happy. It is really, really sticky. If you do find this tutorial useful, please do give it a thumbs up, as it really helps my little channel. Thank you. So I'm just going to show you wrapping it from a different angle, and you can see it sticks very easily, and you can just keep wrapping it all the way around and then just pull away when you're finished. Okay, so that's how I made the cobweb effect. If you'd like to see how to make the spider cake topper, then check out the link in the description. Please also do check out my other cake topper tutorials. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.